Hello everyone, I'm just doing a quick tutorial on my Internet of Things project. I'm just going to show you how to set it up pretty quick here. Alright, step one, you gotta buy your Raspberry Pi and your DHT11 sensor. Now I already had a Raspberry Pi Model 3 for Model B laying around, so I just had to buy the DHT11 sensor. And this is what mine on the this is what it looks like on the right. I bought mine with the cords already with it, so I didn't need to do any soldering or anything like that. I could just plug it in right to the Raspberry Pi. And then step two, obviously unpackage, plug in like the Raspberry Pi to power it up. Initial configs on the Raspberry Pi, I'll show you a couple of those too. As you can see in my picture, I have mine directly connected. And don't actually copy this configuration right here and fried my DHT11 sensor. I'll show you what I currently have set up on it too in a diagram. And you have to connect the DHT11 sensor to the Raspberry Pi. That's GPIO, power, and ground. You have to connect the Raspberry Pi to the internet. As you can see, I have mine through an Ethernet cord. I would suggest that just because it's steadier Wi-Fi or connection to the internet. Once connected, you have to get VNC Viewer, which I already have, but I will show you how to do it. And then you have to get it on your Pi as well. And you can make your configurations from your VNC Viewer once you are connected. And if you wanted to, you can make it send it to your phone. Alrighty, step one. Obviously, we have that done. Initial config. I'll show you the initial configs that I typed in. These are all the configurations that I typed in right here, and a few more down below. I'll link this website down below too. And then for your GPIO and your power and your ground, this is what I copied. These are the pin layouts right here. So pin 1 is your 3.3 volt. Right here, that's for your power. And then pin 6 or 9 is your ground. I use this one, that's pin 1. I use pin 9, I believe that is. And then just one to the right, or one to the left is your ground, sorry. Alright, so I'm just going to move on. You can get your VNC Viewer. All you have to do is go to Google, type in VNC Viewer download, and this is for your computer or your Raspberry Pi. Obviously, as you can see, you have everything you need right here, everything you can download it on. So I'm going to connect to my Pi really quick and show you that it will work. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'll type it in here too to show you how to get it on your Raspberry Pi as well. Okay, let's see. Right here, I actually already have it up. It's right here, realvnc.com, and then you can just download it right here. Download VNC Viewer to the device you want. And then it'll look something like what I'm in right now. You can do anything in your Pi. Okay, 1 second, let me minimize, go back to this. Alright, so you don't want to get Python 3 on your Raspberry Pi. So this is what you type in to do it. Is sudo python 3 setup.py install. And then you want to make sure that you change your GPIO setting with this right here to whatever GPIO you sent it to. Mine was 17, so I just had the 17 there. Alright, you can download the script to your Pi. This is your Adafruit DHT11. This is what will help you run this final config right here, python dht11.py. Once you're done with that, once you're done typing in all those commands, this is what it should come up with. I'll show you that it actually does work. Pi. That is my current temp in my room and the humidity in my room as well. And yeah, that's all I have for you. It's pretty simple. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.